So student, as I am plotting those different type of histogram, another pattern of histogram, that means many type of histogram am showing to you, and I have shown to you earlier also. See this particular pattern of histogram. So in this particular pattern of histogram, as you can see, you can only say that, oh, what are the thing has been included here. Okay, and how the graph has been plotted. First, the student face. Okay, so in this particular thing, some more thing has been used. That I am coming slowly. First, the student phrase, then the histogram beans. What are the beans? As I have said you, if you forget it, see what is the bean is. Bean is the particular structure. Bean is the particular phase. Okay, that you are using. See here, to construct the histogram, the first step to set the bean range. Okay, that is divide the entire range of values into a series of what intervals, and then count how many values falls into each intervals. The beans are usually specified as the constructive non-overlapping interval of the variables. The beans interval must be adjusted and are often but are not often required to be of an equal size. So this is what a bean is. That means the interval that you are giving, the interval that you are showing, based on this particular interval, what happened? Your graph will be plotted. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is the thing I have taken for it. Now here my extremely range say 33. So in the phase of this equational phase, that means equational values 5 5 each, it has taken the highest limit as 35. Now face color I have given yellow, and edge color has been given red. Now what I have added here new, first and foremost the title, which was not there in the previous two things. Same thing I have shown you in the bar graph, in the line graph, same thing, same pattern, same way. First the title, then the X level I have named something in the X level, like here I have given a name as values. You can name according to your histogram. Y level frequencies, then saving figure histogram.png. How to save it? It will going to save as histogram.png. Now I want to show the particular thing. So this is how your histogram has been plotted. So those are the new things, we must note it down. Those are the new things that has been added, and adding those things, what we find it, that we have designed or we have decorated our histogram in much more presentable and beautiful way. Okay, so this is how you will going to do your histogram, and you will going to calculate the histogram phase. So there should not be any part that bean is always to be attached when you are designing the histogram. Remember this thing. Okay, this is the particular part. What you have to remember, that if you are drawing an histogram in Python, you must use the beans. Means the frequencies that it will going to use from the low level to the highest level. So low level is 0, highest level I have given 60. So you cannot give 0 comma 60. You have to say that what are their frequencies. They will come 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, 40 times, 50 times, 60 times. So these are the things what they will going to come, and they will going to arrange on it. Okay. So as this arrangement is there, this particular arrangement will going to give you the total calculation as you are doing in the copy. So this is the calculation based on what? Weight. So you are calling the weight and you are calling the beans. And what is there? There are the students. Students started from 1 to 51. So based on that, your histogram has been plotted. So those are the things, as you see, title, X level, Y level are there, X savings, and plot show. Plot show you always require for any of the plotting that you are doing. There you require to represent that particular thing. You want to show it. Okay. So as you need to show it, that particular showing is a plot show, and you need or you require that plot show for this any pattern of arrangement of the graphs that you are doing or representing. So this is how you will going to construct your histogram. You can change the figure. You can